This is a quick video to talk about how to organize your Google Drive. One of the things that you will notice is that I have some colorized folders, and I colorize the folders that I work mostly in. To colorize a folder, simply do a right click on the folder to get your drop down menu and go to change colors. I can change that color to orange, or I can go to these three dots and do the exact same thing and change the color of that file. Also notice that I have asterisks in front of the titles of my folders. The reason that I do that is to bounce those folders to the top of my folder structure. For instance, my Trigger Tech Talk work, I don't want that way down in the T's because I use it all the time. So I put an asterisk to move it to the top of my list. So anything that I'm currently working on, I put asterisks and move them to the top of my list. Now, one warning about this, if you share a folder with someone, meaning that you see the little person right here, if you share a folder, it will also bounce it to the top of their list. So make sure that everybody's on board with using the asterisks. So that's color coding, and that's the asterisks. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to move things. So if I wanted to move folder 1 into another folder, again, I can do a right click and I get lots of menu options right here. Click the Move To button, and now it'll pull up my structure right here, and now I can move that folder into any of my other folders. If I wanted to move that folder, move another folder, I'm going to go to Move To. If I don't have a folder created, I can simply create a folder, click the check mark, and now I've created a folder in my drive called Sample, and I've moved that folder number 2 into Sample. And here's Sample, which I just created. It tells me right there. And if I open it up, there's my folder. I can also, besides doing a right click, I can do the exact same thing by going to my three dots over here and moving things. So that's a quick video on how to organize your Google Drive.